Hey, what is up everybody? So in this video I'll compare the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 up against the Apple Watch Series 6. Both of them are latest smartwatches from their respective companies. So here first of all I'm doing a boot up speed test. I know we don't restart our smartwatches each day, but this will give us an idea about any performance difference. So 3, 2, 1, go. Under the hood on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 we have a dual-core Exynos 9810 processor, while on the Apple Watch we have a custom Apple designed processor which is based on A13 Bionic. Both of them have 1GB of RAM. The internal storage on Galaxy Watch 3 is 8GB, whereas on the Apple Watch we have 32GB of internal storage. Let's see which one boots up first. So here the Galaxy Watch 3 started up first and Apple Watch is still booting up. So my comparison will consist of build quality and hardware, software and features. Next, most importantly, price, and in the last I will give my personal opinion so you can make a better purchase decision. Starting off with the build quality, on the Galaxy Watch 3 we have a much superior build as compared to the Apple Watch Series 6 for the same price of $430. This is because we are getting stainless steel frame on the Galaxy Watch 3 and a leather band, while on the Apple Watch we have an aluminum case with a sporty band. Of course you can get the Apple Watch in stainless steel case, but that comes with a massive price tag. Talking about the display, both of them have amazing OLED displays with always on display feature as well out of the box. Always on display mode on both of these smartwatches is pretty bright outside in the daylight. It definitely comes to personal preference that whether you prefer a round display or a square one. Also on the Galaxy Watch 3 we have this rotating mechanical bezel which gives the watch a rugged look, and it also kind of protects the underlying glass from scratches. While on the Apple Watch we have this rotating crown. Here glass is exposed to the external environment, so chances are that it may get scratched easily. But the water resistance is same on both of them, which is up to 50 meters of depth. Moving on to the back, here we have sensors for blood oxygen for ECG and heart rate monitoring. But the Galaxy Watch 3 provides one additional feature, and that is blood pressure monitoring. It is pretty accurate as well if you calibrate the watch with a real cuff-based BP apparatus. Now talking about the battery life, on the Galaxy Watch 3 we have a 340 mAh battery capacity, while on the Apple Watch the battery capacity is 303 mAh. I was getting about almost the same battery life on both of them. Sometimes it was a bit better on the Galaxy Watch 3 with 2 days of battery life, while on the Apple Watch I was getting about 1.5 to 2 days of battery life, and that was without always on display mode. So for the hardware and build quality, the Galaxy Watch 3 definitely wins here. Next, moving on to the software and features, both of them have their own benefits and drawbacks. The Galaxy Watch 3 runs on Tizen operating system, which is okay, but sometimes it does lag as compared to the Apple Watch OS, which has a much smoother experience. Both of them have the ability to change watch faces with 60,000 plus watch faces available on the Galaxy Store for the Galaxy Watch 3, but on the Apple Watch we have limited number of watch faces. For applications, the Galaxy Watch 3 is a lot far behind as compared to the Apple Watch. WatchOS has ton of applications that you can install from the App Store, and they have a great quality as well. But for the Galaxy Watch 3 we don't even have a proper Google Maps application. I think Samsung should really bring app developers to Tizen OS, because this is one thing that I really don't like about the Galaxy Watch 3. Rest, the experience is kinda same. Both of them have automatic workout detection with almost same number of steps on each watch. ECG feature is available in a limited number of countries for both of these smartwatches, but they showed quite similar results of sinus rhythm. Now let's talk about the price. The Galaxy Watch 3 for the 45mm model is available for $430, while the Apple Watch Series 6 with aluminum case is available for the same $430, and this price is without LTE for both of these smartwatches. Moving on to my final conclusion, if you have an Android phone or a Samsung phone, Galaxy Watch 3 is the best smartwatch that you can buy right now. It can even pair with an iPhone, but on the other hand, if you have an iPhone, Apple Watch Series 6 will provide you the best experience, as it will not work with any other phone. If you don't prefer the look of Apple Watch, you can still try out the Galaxy Watch 3 with your iPhone, but it will work with the limited features available on the watch. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Let me know in the comment section below that which watch do you prefer, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.